This is started first pull every single time. All right, here it is all together. I thought I'd go through it a little bit and then just demonstrate. I've used it a couple times now, so I have a good feel for it. Obviously, this is the wand control unit, which is kind of both generic and just perfectly fine for what we're doing. Comes with a good amount of hose. The organizer here is really nice for the different nozzle tips, including what they are and how to use them. Obviously, this is the engine down here on front. This is probably my favorite part, is this container for the soap. When you're using soap with it, not only does it have that container, but it is pre-plumbed in. So when you're using low pressure and you want to use the soap, just comes straight from there up and into the feed. Nothing you have to do other than put soap in there and use the low pressure setting. This is obviously where the hose connects. But one other thing I wanted to show. I like the adjustable nature of this. You can adjust it for whatever height you want, or you can also collapse it if you want to transport it, store it. This is started first pull every single time. And now that I said that, I am going to try to start it. Let's give it a shot so you can see what it looks like. All right, I know that is only a silly little demonstration. You're gonna have to take my word for it. This thing's got some beefy power. I mean, super cool. There is absolutely no way you could go wrong with this. This thing has a ton of power. It comes with everything you need, so you could just start using it. I love the soap container. Started first pull. Absolutely nothing I see here other than a positive. You should get one of these for yourself if you're all interested. If you want one, there could be a link right here on the screen. Worst case, there's a link in the description. If you use that, it helps out the channel and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I'm gonna say thank you in advance. Remember to like and subscribe while you're down there. And also, if you have any questions about it, feel free to put it in the comments. Outside of that, I'm gonna say I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.